Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial we will look at the new version of program 2020.1. I will compare this version with the previous one, 2090.3. In this version, developers add a new internal search engine for online store that can help your clients quickly find the products they want. The new product search page not only includes the usual search bar, it also comes with filters to search by category, price range, new items or items on sale. Let's see how it can be configured and used. Here we can see new special page, shopping cart search. Let's move it to menu. For example, here we can rename it. For example, product search. We cannot add it here, just rename. But if we want to add it, we need go here and press edit. Here we can change search elements and change settings. This settings is the same as for catalog object. Let's see our page. This is our search page. So we can filter by category. I have only one category, so it's not very interesting, but we can filter by price. We can show only discount products. Let's see where we can set up discount for product. Here or here, if you enable some of this option, the product will be discounted. Let's see only available products. You can set up availability here. All out-of-stock products won't be visible if your customer select available products only. New products. We can set a product as new right here. Also, we can sort products by lower price and by highest price. Also, we can order them by relevance. It means that the products will be go in that order that you specify here. For example, here our product at first, and now we can see that the order is changed, and here is our product. Some settings from the shopping cart developers moved to this step. So now if you want to change some graphic settings, you need to go here. Also, in shopping cart settings we have search window. So you can search product not only for their name, not only for name code, but also by description and options. Also, there is a new action. For example, you can insert new link, just for example, with search products. This is new action, and you can specify which category, which products by filter. you need to show on the page where the user will go when he click on this link. In new version, developers optimize checkout process. Let's see how it works. In new version, the mouse over effect is now available for images in product page. Let's see how we can configure it. Here is new option. We can change mouse over effect or disable it. Now clients who have registered to access your website secure page will find a new process for requesting a password reset. Just click here, enter email, click the button and go to your mail. Here we can see a letter from the site. Just click on the link and the user can reset his password. Just set a new one. In previous versions, in blog, we have some style settings here. Now these settings were moved here. We can see this page, we can edit options, and article page. This is options for article page and this is options for main page, category page. In new version of website X5, developers increase from 64 to 96 the number of lines that can be added to each website page. Also, developers update the minimum server requirements for PHP. Now it's 7.1. In the next video, we will talk about useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program.